front of me is Redmi 14C, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. All you need to do is launch your keyboard and click on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, select this gear, click on voice typing and use this switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard, click on no visible microphone and start typing. When you finish, click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!